Very good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment number 3 from 10th class. The topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us go for the first question. Solve the system of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 by using substitution method. So, we have to find the solution of these two equations by using substitution method. So, this comes under algebraic method to find the value of solutions of given two linear equations. So, that is given that. So, given two equations are x plus 3y is equal to 6, next 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So, in this method of finding the solution, first of all we have to, in the first step what we have to do. So, find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. So, that I can take x value, find x in terms of y. So, that it will become 6 minus 3y, it will become 6 minus 3y. So, let us consider the first line will become first equation and the next line will become second equation. Yes, from first equation x is equal to 6 minus 3y. Now, you need to substitute x is equal to 6 minus 3y in second equation, that is 2 into, you can substitute 6 minus 3y in the place of x, that is 6 minus 3y minus 3y is equal to 12, is equal to 12. So, let us simplify this. This is 6 2s are 12 minus 6y minus 3y is equal to 12, is equal to 12. So, from this can simplify this. Yes. So, that is 12 minus 6y minus 3y, 9y is equal to 12. So, from this 9y is equal to 12 minus 12 will become 0. So, that 9y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So, one solution is 0. By using y is equal to 0, we need to find x value, that is x is equal to 6 minus 3y, replace 0 in the place of y to find the value of x, that is 6 minus 3 into 0. So, that x will become 6. So, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. Let us go for the second one. Solve the equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 by using substitution method. So, this question also we have to find the solution of equation by using substitution method. Yes. So, what are the two line equations? The 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, let us take this is the first equation. Similarly, what is that? Say 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Let us consider this is second equation. From first equation, in the second step what you have to do? Find one variable in terms of another variable. So, I am taking 2x and sending 3y to that side, 3y as well as minus 9. After sending these two terms to that side, it will become 9 minus 3y, 9 minus 3y. So, from that what is the value of x? X is equal to 9 minus 3y upon 2, upon 2. Now, you can substitute x is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2 in this equation number 2. So, what will become? 3 into x in the place of 9 minus 3y by 2 you can place in the place of x, that is 9 minus 3y upon 2 plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So, by writing like we can find the value of y. So, it will become 3 into 9 will become 27 minus 9y upon 2 plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So, just to simplify this, 27 minus 9y, what is LCM is 2, that is 8y minus 10 is equal to 0. You can send 2 that side will become 0. Now, simplify this. So, here it is 27 minus 10 will become 17, will become 17, minus 9 plus minus 9y plus 8y will become minus y is equal to 0. So, from this what is the value of y? Y is equal to 17, y is equal to 17. If you want to find x, you can use y is equal to 17 in this equation. So, let us simplify in this. Yes. So, x is equal to 9 minus 3y upon 2, 9 minus 3y upon 2. So, replace 17 in the place of y, that is x is equal to 9 minus 3 into 17 upon 2. So, that x is equal to how much? 9 minus 17 3s are 51 upon 2, 51 upon 2. So, we can take x is equal to how much? It is minus 42 upon 2. So, we can cancel in 21 times. So, that x is equal to minus 21, x is equal to minus 21, y is equal to 17. So, let us go for third question. Yes, check whether the lines 3x minus 6y, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 or intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. How can you decide whether the lines are parallel or coincident or intersecting lines? Okay? By taking the ratios of their coefficients of given two line equations. So, let us go for that. First of all, we have to identify what are the coefficients of these two, x as well as y in both equations. That is, given equations are 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. The next one is 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So, from this what is the value of a1? a1 is equal to 6, next b1 is equal to how much? Minus 3, just coefficient of y in first equation. Next c1 is equal to 10. Similarly, a2 is equal to 2 and b2 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, b2 is equal to minus 1. Next c2 is equal to how much? 9, c2 is equal to 9. Now, we have to take ratios of respective variables, that is a1 by a2 is equal to how much? a1 by a2 is equal to how much? 6 by 2, 6 by 2. So, will become how much? It is 3. So, a1 by a2 is equal to 3. Next b1 by b2 how much? b1 by b2, that is equal to minus 3 upon minus 1 will become 3. Here minus will get cancelled. So, that answer will be 3. So, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 and b1 by b2 is equal to 3. So, what is c1 by c2? c1 by c2 is equal to how much? That is 10 upon 9. So, from these three conditions I can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, is not equal to c1 by c2. This condition which express the which type of lines? Those lines are parallel lines, parallel lines, parallel lines. This condition which represents the parallel lines. So, these are the today's assignment questions. Thank you, children.